Good morning, everybody. We have our light back for our light bar, or our fuse for the light bar. So now we can see. Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful morning out today. Gonna be a little warm, but well, first let's help Dad get the tub on the tractor. He's gonna take a tub off of here, so then we only have 5. Normally we just keep 4 on there, but beautiful morning. Today is the last day of, boy, that is bright. Today is the last day of harvest. About 5 o'clock right now. So we'll probably get started here. I think we were gonna start at 5:30 is what we told Sam and Kara. So yeah, last day of harvest. We picked last week. Everything went pretty good last week, but like I said in the video before, didn't have any lights onto this tractor, so couldn't do any videos before it got light out. So, and it's nice actually being able to see the back of the trailer, well, when these tubs aren't there, but seeing the back of the trailer, trying to get in the row over there that you cannot see. So yeah, pretty excited. Gonna be a good day today, ain't it, Dad? Yep. Yep, you heard it from him, so has to be, right? Confidence, I like it. But we're gonna go ahead and get this trailer moved into place. Pretty excited. Got a new GoPro, so trying it out. Maybe Dad can start using it. He's right there if you can't see him. We got one that actually the camera faces towards you so you can see what you're doing. So we're gonna get this trailer moved and get everything set up, so when Sam and Carrie get here, we will be all ready to rock. So let's get after it and have a good day. All right, we got light on, harvesters up here, so we are gonna get going. Okay, so we are almost half done with the Petite Pearl. This is just 2 rows, so this is yielding a lot better than what the Frontenac did. Frontenac, we had I think 10 rows of it, and it only yielded, I think we had 5 tubs of that. So that one definitely wasn't very good this year, so we're hoping next year get something figured out with it. But is what it is. It kind of varies year to year, but very happy with the Petite Pearl. That's the one we really needed this year of our grapes, so that's really good to see. This will all get barrel aged, so yeah, good to see that that's yielding good. Dad will get this. Dad will get those unloaded, those 3 tubs, and then that way we don't have to unload again. So get those unloaded, we'll get another stack of tubs on there, and we'll get these last 3 rows knocked out if I don't get ran over by the tractor. Get these last 3 rows knocked out and get everything reloaded back up, and we'll head off to the winery. Okay, so we got the trailer over here, and So what's happening now is our Petite Pearl isn't producing enough, right, for what they like to run their conveyor on the harvester. So what they're doing is they're going to go ahead and they're just going to pick into the bin that's actually on the harvester. The harvester has an onboard bin that it'll pick into, and then you can put a macro bin underneath of it, and then it'll lift up and dump. So he's running the harvester just into the bin. So we're gonna go down and get some video of them working on that, and so this will be kind of fun to be able to get actual some. Kara did take some video for us on the other GoPro, and so thanks to Kara for that. But we're going to take this GoPro and we're going to see if we get some more video of the machine working. And yeah, so this will be kind of neat. It's the first time I've been able to get off the tractor and be able to actually watch the machine work. As crazy as that is, I've never been around the machine outside of being on the tractor. So we're gonna run down, walk down, and go see how the machine works. So all right, let's go do it. So yeah, these, I mean, they look great. This is the first year that we've actually done a harvest on them, so that's why there's not a whole lot of growth, foliage on them. That, and they had the Japanese beetles get into them, so didn't have a whole lot of growth this year. Like I said, this is their first year, so we're very happy with the amount of production on them. We made sure that they didn't produce too much. That way you're getting a lot of your nutrients back down into the soil, into the roots, help grow the roots versus putting it to bear fruit. So yeah. And then this is kind of, find a spot here. This is kind of what it looks like when they get done picking it. There's going to be some berries on these younger ones just because you don't have the foliage, and the harvester vibrates off of your foliage. So not having a lot of foliage, it's not going to end up picking everything completely clean off. So that's why we wanted to make sure that we didn't overproduce on these this year, and then that way they'll have a lot more foliage going into next year. So yeah, that's a little bit about it, and you know, we'll go down here and check out the harvester. we're all done with harvest. Drop the cap. It's all right. We are done with harvest 2023. And we got everything loaded up. We got all of the Frontenac on here.
Petite Pearl.
Just testing and making sure he was paying attention. So we got all the Petite Pearl on here, this trailer. And then we got all of the Frontenac on that trailer. And that is all that we have to harvest. So 2023 harvest is in the bag. So we're gonna get these tubs all over to the winery and get those unloaded. And then get those inside, and we will hit it hard tomorrow morning first thing, getting everything all crushed and pressed. Frontenac will all get crushed and pressed, and then the Petite Pearl on there will all get crushed, and then we'll ferment those on the skins, and we'll show you guys that process and everything. And what's the good word, Dad? We're done. All right, there you have it. Well, we better get a move on it. We got other grapes coming in, so we will catch you guys here when we get to the winery.